Alright guys, I kind of need some help. I have a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. This constantly blinks. It will kind of simmer down at nighttime when the door is locked just with this. I don't have the key fob or anything. The only thing I have when I bought the truck was this key. And it says GM even though it's a Chevy. So, let's put it in. The lights beep, whatever. I'm able to start it and it runs, but I do not like this security light. It stays on all the time. All the time. I'll give it gas so you can see that it's running. So it stays on all the time. I could drive around. I've driven almost 525 miles on this truck and that light has not went away, but it's not affected it from running at all. The thing still runs. I've done the put it in the key, leave that on for 10 minutes or 15 minutes until this goes away, the security light. Did it 3 times, blah, blah, blah. I just opened this up and I checked it inside the tumbler, in the little metal piece, everything else. It looked good. So I came down here and what I noticed is there's a few little yellow wires running from basically this big plug. They took one of the bigger yellow wires. I think it's just a yellow wire, it's got no black or anything on it, and they took it, this little wire, and they went into this fuse or something on the back side of here, because on the front side you don't see shit, but on the back side they went into something, because when I disconnect this and I try and start my truck, it does absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. So I plug it back in and now my truck will start up and run fine. So my question is, guys, how do I get rid of whoever did this? It looks like they had an alarm down underneath here, but how do I get rid of it? Because it looks like this wire was this wire. They just have some loop. Where'd this one go? Where was it supposed to go? Because I don't think it's supposed to go like this. So can you give me advice? I would be forever grateful. I'm trying to get rid of the security light. Let me know. There's a person that has this whole piece, that whole silver looking piece with the key and the key tumbler and the key fob, that I'm gonna probably get. Hopefully that will help me. Let me know, guys. I'd appreciate it.